Hello students, we are going to discuss about recycle operation. What is recycle operation? Recycle operation with chemical reaction is common in industrial processes. So mainly performed to utilize the valuable reactant to their maximum so that the loss of the reactant minimized. Recycling is returning back a portion of the steam leaving a process unit to the entrance of the process unit for further processing. Recycling operation commonly encountered in unit operation and unit processes are performed for maximum utilization of the valuable reactant. Second one, improvement of the performance of the operation, that is efficiency. Utilization of the heat being lost in the exhaust steam. Better operating condition of system, pressure or temperature, etc. Improvement of the selectivity of a product. So selectivity is nothing but the ratio between desired product to undesired product. Maintaining process rate at a high value. Enrichment of a product. In distillation operation, a part of the distillate is fed back to column to enrich the product so that almost pure product can be obtained. So distillation column is one of the example for recycle operation. After recycling operation, they enrich the product. So finally we get almost pure product. Another example, drying operation. A major portion of the hot air leaving the dryer is recirculated to conserve heat to utilize the heat being lost in the exit air. The utilization of heat. So energy conservation. This is very important in drying operation. Another example, absorption tower. Better wetting of tower packing is done by recycling part of the exit solvent steam. In chemical reaction, exit catalyst or spent catalyst is returned to the reactor for reuse after being regenerated. So you are taking the fixed bed reactor, so or fluidized bed reactor, regeneration is very important. So the catalyst induces the reaction. Are clear? For achieving complete conversion, keeping the yield of byproduct to minimum and effecting reaction at a high rate. A recycle steam is a process steam that retain material leaving a process unit back to the entrance of the same unit. So generally recycle operations carried out under steady state condition. Steady state is nothing but there is no change. In this operation, there is no buildup or material takes place inside the process or in the recycle steam. So this is the information about recycle operation. So this is a schematic diagram of the recycle operation. So the fresh feed. So fresh feed and the recycle feed. So the combined. So this is called mixed feed or combined feed. This feed entering in the process so to produce the cross product. So the finally this cross product again join with recycle feed to produce net product. So material balance for the recycle operation can be returned about the entire process including the recycle steam wherein the fresh feed is equated with the net product. Second one, about the junction point 1 at which the fresh feed combined with the recycle stream. Third one, about the junction point 2 at which the cross product is divided into recycle and net product. Last one, about the process itself, so that is involving only process feed and cross product stream. What is the overall material balance of recycle operation? Capital F plus capital R is equal to capital M. This is the OMB, overall material balance. Capital F plus capital R is equal to capital M. What about the individual material balance here? Individual material balance, F into XF plus R into XR is equal to M into XM. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the overall material balance and individual material balance. So thank you for your attention.